How to delete all the reposts on TikTok at once. The first step is to open the TikTok app on your device. After the app loads, click on the profile icon that is on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then click on the three-line icon that is on the top right corner of the screen. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll towards the bottom of the page where you can find an option, Report a Problem. Click on it. Then something like this will appear on screen where you have to scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the bottom option called Submit a Report. Once you write it all down, you can also screenshot your reposted videos from your profile and submit it with a report. You can submit the screenshots or screen records by clicking on that gallery or video icon. Once everything is done, click on Submit and your report will be submitted to TikTok, and they will help you delete all your reposts within a day or two. So this is it. I hope this video is helpful, and thank you for watching, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel.